The Creative Control feature on the Panasonic cameras listed below provides 4 filter effects for recording: Miniature Effect, 8mm Movie, Silent Movie, and Time-Lapse Recording. These filters make it possible to shoot impressive video recordings that are matched to the shooting situation. In the following video, we will show you these 4 filters and how to access them. From the recording screen, tap the recording mode icon. From the recording mode selection screen, tap the Creative Control icon. You are now in the Creative Control selection screen. The 4 filters to choose from are: Miniature Effect allows you to record motion pictures with a diorama effect, like recording in miniature by intentionally creating focused area and out of focused area in the peripheral of the image and recording motion picture with an interval. Motion pictures recorded with this function will look as if the frame rate is low. 8mm Movie. With this filter, you can record motion pictures with a faded retro effect. Silent Movie filter allows you to record motion pictures that are similar to black and white silent films by lowering the amount of incoming light. And the time-lapse recording allows you to record a scene that moves slowly over a long period of time as a short time motion picture by recording 1 frame at each set time-lapse. Select your desired mode and then press Enter. The video will now record in the selected filter mode.